Good morning, everyone. Have you ever felt like you have something inside you? Something you're truly passionate about, but you're not sure how to make it work? Something that might seem small to others, but for you, it's everything. Well, that's how I feel about this. I'm here today to share how following my passion for nails not only gives me a sense of purpose, but has also allowed me to take control of my academic journey and something that might many of you relate to. And let me tell you, it hasn't been easy. But if there's one thing I've learned, it's that passion can change your life you never expected. So when I started this journey, I didn't have a lot. In fact, I had nothing but a dream and a desire to make it happen. As a student, you might think your only option is to focus on your studies and leave everything behind. But I realized early on that I couldn't depend on anyone else to support my education. And I was too shy, I was too afraid to ask my parents for help with academic expenses. Because as we all know, the hospitality management course is really expensive when it comes to laboratories, seminars, and skills, and C2. And yeah, I wanted to stand up my time. I wanted to prove to myself that I could do it. And that's when I found dance. At first, it was just a hobby. But as time went on, I realized that this passion could be more than just a creative outlet. It could be a way for me to take care of my school expenses, build my confidence, and most importantly, invest in my future. But trust me, it wasn't easy. Building a small business, gaining customers' trust, and also being a full-time student, that's no joke. And I had to figure out where we're going to get the money to invest in tools and supplies. And to be honest, I didn't have the funds. So I hustled. I did side jobs. I worked whatever I could to save enough to get started. And it felt like constant uphill climb, but every little step forward was in progress. So now, I'm not saying you need to start a business or become an entrepreneur to be successful. But what I'm saying is that if there's something inside you or you're passionate about, something that makes you feel alive, don't wait for the perfect time or for someone to give you permission. The world is full of opportunities and sometimes you have to create it for yourself. So to my fellow students, I want you to know this. You don't have to wait for everything to fall into place. You don't have to wait until you have all the resources and all the answers. Start with what you have, no matter how small it seems. Take a leap on your faith in yourself and just go for it because passion doesn't just live in textbooks or lectures. It's in the thing you love, the things that keep you all night and fuel your drive. So if you have that passion, I promise you'll find a way to it. So remember this, the journey isn't easy, but every step you take gets you closer to where you want to be. So, what are you passionate about? What's stopping you from moving after you? The world